Mangalam. My name is Avika Reddy. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Little Scholar High School. My topic is human body, the skeleton system. The skeleton system. We all have skeleton. We all have a skeleton inside our body. The skeleton is made up of bones that form the framework of our body. What would have happened if we had no skeleton inside us? We would have been flat and wispy like jelly. The newborn baby has more than 300 bones, but as the baby grows, some of these bones fuse together. An adult human being has 206 bones. The bones have different shapes and sizes. Structure of bones. Bones are hard outside but soft inside. The center of the bone is soft and spongy and contains a substance called bone marrow. The bone marrow makes blood cells. Bones are made up of minerals, mainly calcium and phosphorus. Functions of the skeleton system. The skeleton system gives shape and structure to our body like the beams of a building. It protects the international organ. For example, the skull protects to brain, the ribs protects to heart and the lungs, the backbone protects to spinal cord. Food help. Bones help us to move. Bones are attached to the muscles, so when the muscles move, the bones move too. This brings about movement. The bone marrow inside the bone makes blood cells, part of a skeleton. The skeleton has 5 major parts: the skull, the backbone, the ribcage, the bone in the arms and legs, and the killers. The skull protects to brain. It also protects sense organs like the eyes, ears and nose. The adult human skull is made up of 22 bones. 8 large flat bones form the calcium, the part that encloses the brain, and 14 bones form the face. The only part of the skull that is movable is the lower jaw, and because of it we are available to eat and talk. This is called skull. Backbone. The backbone or spine. The backbone or the spine extends to form the base of the skull to the lower jaw region of the back. The backbone is made up of 33 bones called the vertebrae. Together they form a column called the vertebral column. The spine protects the spine protects the decals spinal cord, which is a bundle of nerves that send message from the brain to the different part of the body. The spine let us twist and bend as well as hold our body upright. This is called the spine. Thank you.